Okay, so this is how to make a 16-page mini book. So this is the Piece at Last mini book, but of course you could do this with a blank piece of paper and make anything you like. So to start off with, fold the paper in half lengthwise. With the kids you can tell them to make a long rectangle, join the edge to the edge, fold it again, okay, a long rectangle, and we just do exactly the same the other way along the short edge. So edge to edge, fold, and then fold again, edge to edge. Fold, fold. Okay, and now is the fun part. Okay, so we want to cut along the fold, but not on these open edges here. Okay, so we're going to make 3 lines along these 3 folds. Okay, so I'll start with the center, and you stop at the first fold. Make sure you demonstrate this to kids, so there's no tears. Okay, so you just cut to the fold. Try not to go too far, but it's worse if you go too little, then it's not going to fold correctly. So it's all right if you go a little bit over, but okay. So here now we've got these nice flaps. And we're just going to cut only only the middle 2. So we'll say to kids, like, not this one. How many? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So not 1, 2, yes. 3, yes. 4, no. So you hold them like this. Then you get your scissors and you cut along the middle. And they'll go, oh, because it's like you're breaking something. But anyway. There we go. And quite simply, now you just fold these back, so then we make a little window. Okay, so now they've got a nice window in the middle. Once they've got the window, turn it over, and then fold the outsides in. Okay, so we're going to close the window, and we're back to a rectangle. Okay, once you've got the rectangle, fold it in half. And now we've got a really cool kind of a diamond thing going on. So again, this is another fun one. You can play I Spy or look through it. So once you've got this, you can play a tune if you like. Doo, doo, doo. Put the edges together and then just fold it in on itself like that. Okay, cover page. Doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. Are we happy with it? There you go. There's your 16-page mini book. Okay, so that's Piece at Last. And there we've got a retelling of the story. 4, 5, all the way through. Okay. Sometimes kids will want to, but look, it's broken because these folded ones, but yeah, just reassure them, it's fine. So there we go, 16-page mini book.